Georgia nights, mud on the doors, light bars cutting through the pine trees. Another weekend, another convoy, another memory roll across back roads and red clay. This ain't just a Jeep club. This is family. Back road thunder on an old two-lane, CB chatter and a little bit of rain. Flags flying high at the gas station light, whole line of Jeeps stretching out of sight. Half the crew still wrenching Friday night. One broke down but he'll still ride. Kids waving hard from the passenger side. Georgia Jeep Alliance rolling deep with pride. From the mountains down to the coastal sand, we leave tire marks all across this land. No matter what life keeps dragging through, that convoy always pulls us through. Rolling over Georgia, headlights in the dark, small town roads and muddy trails, leaving memories and marks. Rolling over Georgia, engines loud and free. Georgia Jeep Alliance, that's where we're meant to be. Campfire smoke drifting through the pines, laughter carrying deep into the night. Friends talking loud on the radio, betting on who's getting stuck below. Tailgate stories never get old. Every trip turns a legend's bold. Some came broken, tide wore thin, but somehow leave stronger than they've been. Life hits hard, jobs wear you down, bills pile up, people get sick, but out here under these Georgia stars, none of us ride alone. Engines roaring through the midnight air, dust flying everywhere. Back roll rebel side by side, Georgia pride in every ride. Rolling over Georgia, through the dust and rain. Every mile and every trail runs deep inside our veins. Rolling over Georgia, one family under steel. Georgia Jeep Alliance, built on something real. So if you see the lights coming over the hill, move over a little. There's a whole Jeep family rolling through Georgia tonight.